Can someone earn a salary of $1 trillion? I'm talking about Elon Musk and the $1 trillion pay package that Tesla shareholders have just agreed to. Yes, you heard that right, trillion with a T. To put that in perspective, that's more than the GDP of Saudi Arabia, that's more than the combined net worth of Jeff Bezos, Warren Buffett, and Bill Gates, multiplied several times over. But here is what's even crazier. It's not cash, it's not a bonus, it's a bet. A bet on the future of humanity, technology, and Tesla itself. And what's really at stake here isn't just Elon's salary. It's the future of capitalism, innovation, and whether one man's vision can still move the world. So in this video, we are going to find out what Musk has to do to earn it and what this means for the rest of us. Because this isn't just about Tesla anymore, it's about how far one man and one company can push the limits of possibility.
75% voting in favor.
When the headlines broke that Tesla's board has approved a new pay deal for Musk, potentially worth $1 trillion, the internet did what it always does. Half the world laughed, the other half gasped. How can anyone deserve that much money? Is Tesla insane? Is this even real? But look closer and the story becomes something else entirely. This isn't your typical CEO bonus. It's performance based, meaning Musk only gets paid if Tesla pulls off the impossible. The deal, approved in November 2025, ties Musk's earnings directly to Tesla's success over the next decade. If Tesla's value skyrockets to $8.5 trillion, if it dominates not just electric cars but robotaxis, humanoid robots, and full self-driving AI, Musk could, in theory, unlock a payout worth up to $1 trillion in Tesla stock. And if he doesn't, he gets nothing. Zero. That's why this isn't a salary, it's a bet on the future of Tesla. To understand why this even makes sense, you have to understand how Tesla sees itself now. It's not a car company anymore. That was phase 1. Phase 2 is something much bigger. Tesla is becoming an AI-driven robotics company, using cars as a stepping stone to something closer to Iron Man's Stark Industries than General Motors. Musk wants Tesla to be everywhere, on roads, in factories, in homes, not just as cars, but as self-driving vehicles, humanoid robots, energy storage systems, and AI brains that tie it all together. This new deal signals Tesla's commitment to that vision. You're not paying Elon for what he has done. They are paying for what they hope he can still do. And that's what makes this deal so controversial, because it's not just rewarding success, it's incentivizing a revolution. So what does Elon actually have to achieve to earn that trillion? Let's break it down. First, Tesla's market cap has to jump from around $1.4 trillion today to roughly $8.5 trillion. That's not just growth, that's rewriting the rules of valuation itself. Second, Tesla must produce 20 million vehicles a year. That's almost double what Toyota, Volkswagen, and GM produce combined. Third, they must deploy 1 million self-driving robotaxis, cars that drive entirely on their own, generating passive income for owners. Fourth, they must sell 1 million humanoid robots known as Optimus, machines that could one day replace manual labor in factories and homes. And finally, they must sign up millions of users to Tesla's self-driving subscription software, turning it into an Apple-style recurring revenue machine. Every time a milestone is reached, Musk unlocks a new batch of Tesla stock. If he hits them all, the final tally could be worth $1 trillion. It's almost like a video game, except the levels are real industries and the final boss is the future itself. Now, not everyone is clapping. Wall Street analysts have called it ridiculous. Proxy firms like Glass Lewis and institutional shareholder services urged investors to reject it. Even some Tesla shareholders worry it's too much power, too much influence, too much Elon. Critics argue the goals are unrealistic. They say it's reckless to hand over that much potential wealth to one man who already holds enormous sway over the company. And here is another layer: governance. Earlier this year, a Delaware court actually struck down Musk's previous $56 billion pay package, calling it unfair and tainted by conflict. So, when this $1 trillion deal emerged, some investors saw it as Tesla doubling down, not just on Musk's talent, but on his control. The irony: Elon himself shrugged it off, saying, "What's wild is that the same people who say Tesla is overvalued also say my pay is too high, even though it only pays out if Tesla becomes the most valuable company on earth." And that's really the heart of the argument. Is this visionary leadership, or has Elon created a cult of personality so powerful that even $1 trillion checks don't shock people anymore? Let's be honest, the road ahead is brutal. Building 20 million cars a year isn't just about factories, it's about raw materials, lithium supplies, logistics, charging infrastructure, and regulatory approval across dozens of countries. The robo-taxi dream, it's been promised for years, but regulators are skeptical. Safety standards are strict, and AI driving remains one of the hardest technical challenges in the world. Then there's Optimus, Tesla's humanoid robot. It looks incredible in demos, but producing a million of them that actually work in real life scenarios, that's decades of engineering trial and error. And while all of this unfolds, Tesla is still fighting competition from BYD in China, Rivian and Lucid in the US, and dozens of European automakers investing billions into EVs. So if Musk spreads himself too thin between Tesla, SpaceX, Neuralink, XAI, and X, formerly Twitter, there's a real question: can Tesla execute on all of this at once? Because if even one domino falls, that $1 trillion fantasy disappears in smoke. But here is where it gets really interesting. The deal isn't just about Tesla, it's about how we define value in the modern world. We used to reward CEOs for profits, for sales, for dividends. Now we reward them for vision, for the ability to reshape entire industries. And Musk, love him or hate him, has done that repeatedly. He made electric cars cool, he made rockets reusable, he's building humanoid robots, global satellite internet, and possibly the foundation for a multi-planetary civilization. So the $1 trillion package isn't just a number, it's a symbol. It says the market now values audacity more than caution, risk more than safety, future dreams more than current earnings. If Tesla does reach $8 trillion, Elon won't just be rich, he'll be the first person in history to become a trillionaire. But even if he doesn't, the journey itself could redefine the entire tech landscape. Because every time Elon bets big, industries move, investors react, governments rethink regulations, and competitors scramble to catch up. Now, what does this mean for ordinary people, for you, me, and everyone watching? Well, if Tesla pulls this off, we are entering a new era. Imagine calling a Tesla robotaxi that picks you up with no driver, or having a humanoid robot in your home doing basic chores, or energy grids powered by Tesla batteries storing solar energy. It could genuinely change daily life, how we move, work, and consume energy. But there is also a darker side. Automation could eliminate millions of jobs. The wealth gap between tech leaders and ordinary workers could grow even wider. And power could concentrate in the hands of a few corporations and CEOs who control the data. the algorithms, and the machines. In other words, Elon Musk's $1 trillion salary isn't just about one man's fortune, it's about the shape of the next industrial revolution and who controls it. So, is this the boldest bet in corporate history or the biggest illusion ever sold? That depends on how the next decade unfolds. If Tesla hits its targets, this deal could go down as a masterstroke, the ultimate alignment between vision and value creation. If it fails, it will be remembered as a symbol of hubris, the moment ambition outpaced reality. And one thing is certain, Elon Musk has once again done what he does best. He has forced the world to dream bigger, argue louder, and question the limits of what's possible. Because when Elon moves, the world watches, and when the price tag reads $1 trillion, everyone leans in. So buckle up, the next chapter of Tesla has just begun, and whether you admire him or despise him, you can't ignore him. Because Elon Musk is once again betting the entire future, and this time the prize isn't just Mars or electric cars, it's the transformation of life as we know it. If you found this fascinating, don't forget to hit that like button, not for Elon's sake, but for the sheer audacity of what's unfolding before our eyes. Because $1 trillion salary isn't just a number, it's a statement about where the world is heading next.